Welcome to the new LSVT Global website. If you're visiting the site for the very first time as an LSVT certified clinician, here are the steps you need to follow to access your clinician account. First of all, click Login. You'll want to click initially Reset Your Password, as every clinician the first time they log in needs a new password for the new system. Click Reset Password. Enter your email address that is associated with your LSVT Global clinician account. If you do not know that email, please contact us at info@lsvtglobal.com and we can let you know. Do not create a new account, as none of your old information would be associated with the new account. Click Send Password Reset, and a link to reset your password has been sent to your email address. Once you access your email and you see the link to reset your password, simply click that link and you'll be directed to a password reset page. You can enter your new password and confirm it. Click Save, and then you're redirected to log in. So now you can log in with that same email address associated with your account, your new password, and you now have access to your clinician account. You can see the account page looks quite different from our previous site. It's been updated with features, including your certification number, renewal dates, and status. And as you scroll down, you can update your profile, access downloads and resources, webinars and courses, clinician support, and products and purchases.